Next is this one, the last corner. Kani mo checking point. Mag-meet di siya at intersection exactly, then your projection is correct. Okay, let's find out. Here, so let's do the first stroke. Bata na siya murag ko na siya variances o sa ginagmay, then that's acceptable. So, when you draw this to here, mag-intersect na silang tulo ka line. Imperfect scenario. Na may usahay nga dili kayo align imong pagka-project, mo differentiate siya, but as long as it not extreme, then that's fine. That's okay. So let's check if accurate ba. Does it hit? Sakto? Okay, then you're doing good. Next is kani. So i-extend lang ninyo mo outward. So na. And then this one here, find that out diri kani nga point. So basically kani siya nga mark. Do you follow? Kani nag-touch diri nga line, so mao na siya. Okay, so do the same, just extend, and it should hit this mark, this one, which is this. And finally, when you do that, it should intersect accurately. Igo sa kanina pod. So this one here, extend that out to match this hitting point. So let's try. Kinahanglan attentive jud kay ka drawing ani. Kay any kuan ba, basig mailad ka sa lines bitaw nga daghan na kanang colors. And I don't allow, by the way, I don't allow color coding. So you should exercise the effective use of line weights. When to use pencil, of course, in graphics 1, you are trained to use pencil for construction lines and guidelines like this, and then decide later on unsa imong i-point 1, nasa tunga nga thickness o ang pinakabaga. Okay, so let's extend this one to hit this line, this projection line. Okay, so the hitting point with the section should be like this. Remember that we have already projected the other side, so they should meet using the vanishing point. So sanay ko ang tower na lang. Okay, so referring to this, let us find out the intersecting point, and then also look at that line, make sure that it will touch. Okay, so this should be your intersection point, and then when you draw this towards that line, make sure nga mag-intersect siya dali. Ani, let's try to check. Okay, so your plan is now being converted into a perspective angle. Do you follow? Imagine na lang na from top view ni anam siya. I think you're familiar with Google Map, di ba? I-click nimo sa street view sa Google Map, ang map mukalit din ng ana. Tagaan yung kaginani. Okay? Relate? So, okay, now we are ready to construct the object shape. Now, all projection should be seen, ha? Inig magkuan mo line, kinahanglan traceable siya kay. That will give, if it's not traceable, meaning it's erroneous. So, you'll get negative credit to that. So, now let's start with projecting heights. Now, I would like to refresh about the word ML. Okay? The ML is the line that touches the PP and the building in the drawing setup. But later on, I will also teach you na may cases nga ang building wala mag-touch sa PP. But that's another lesson. No? Basta, always remember the beginning, meaning your zero measurement. The origin is this line hitting the building, the PP. So, let us label this as measuring line. Then, unsa pa? Napay name ani. Since middle man siya sa imuhang vision, no. Sight line sila tanan. Pero kana nga specific siya ra gyud. Yeah, say AB na siya. Okay? And this, just to refresh, no? Ani ako nang i-kuan ha. Ana. This is the outermost kanang angle of vision. So therefore, this one here is your COV. Okay? Kana siya nga particular line, mo na siya ang measure. Tanang elevation measurement magsugod dire. So, you will understand this, of course. Like this is, ilang ito yung height? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In project ni mo dere, if you recall your orthographic projection in graphics 1, pag imo nang i-project dere, kini nga measurement is the same as this. No? So, mo ni siya imong beginning. Atong pormahon imong box. Alright? Now, if this is your beginning projection, you can now construct the object using this height. So this height should terminate, dilim tagasugod should terminate here. So kanina. And then on the other side, diri to this. Okay? Okay? So, mo na. Sunod, mo na ni imuhang center box. Okay, kana center box. Sunod, kani nga box na pod. Okay, kuan man ni, this includes 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. No? Arrange. So, if you do this, kani na sad nga height, okay, kani nga height. Now, this is the tricky thing. When you project measurements, it should pass always here. Common mistake of students. Ilang pangitaon eh. Kani, liha, and then mo na ilang height. That's wrong. All measurements should start here. So, if it starts here, you have to use the vanishing point before you can locate its actual location, which is this. Correct? Since we're talking of convergence, ano na siya, dagan sa kadiri, imo siyang ipatravel and then that one. So, naigo na ninimo. Next is kani nga corner. So, using this, kay kani siya nga lines here is this vanishing, kani nga line here is this vanishing. So, using this location, you will be able to get the actual location of this, which is kulang pa. Dari pa diyan. Kan usahay malipat galing ko. Kana. Ya follow na lang kay naiham siya ni Honong mo end siya diri. You follow? So napurma na kana this box. Ato sang i-draw sa tani groove lines niya. These are groove lines. Okay, so ato sang iwas. So i-project na siya nimo towards the measuring line. Okay. Hala. Napoy sa'yo. Sorry, please. Napoy sa'yo. This one is wrong. I have to transfer it the ground line of elevation and the ground lahi ang forma. The ground line of elevation and the ground line of perspective should be the same. Ilay akong bawion. Okay, 2 man ni siya minus